It's a fact we all know too well. Rising temperatures caused by high CO2 levels is one of the biggest threats to our planet. The smartest way to prevent this is by cutting our emissions from fossil fuels. So what are we waiting for? At Liquid Wind, we believe it's time to act and have a solution: electromethanol. By capturing excess carbon dioxide and combining it with hydrogen, our team of experts has found a new method to produce a circular fuel on a large scale without releasing any new greenhouse gases. We simply capture the existing CO2 from local sources and turn it into liquid fuel that can easily run your car, truck, or ship. E-methanol can also be used as green raw material to accelerate the transition to a fossil-free chemical industry. Finally, e-methanol stores energy effectively, which could help solve the current storage issue with electricity from wind and solar power. The technology is known and tested. We simply need to implement it on a large scale. Help us build the world's first large-scale facility for carbon-neutral fuel. Visit our website to join Liquid Wind's efforts to make the world cooler, one reused CO2 molecule at a time.